Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So on today's video we're going to repurpose these wire shelves from a closet into a rack to hold canned goods. So stick around and I'll show you how we did it. I've got these old pieces of shelf bracket and my wife wants me to make her something for the pantry out of these, something to hold canned goods in the pantry. So let me show you how we're going to go about this. We're going to start out by cutting these to 16 inches in length. Okay, we got all three of them cut out. Now we need to build some framework for them to set in. Okay, so I cut two pieces of 3/4 plywood, 12 inches by 16 inches. And I've laid this out where this is 5 inches to here and then 3-inch gap in between. Enough room for cans to fit in between there. And all I got to do now is drill these down, drill into these a 1/2 inch deep. And I've got them all marked. All right, now we just need to paint it.